This video is about general procedure for calculating testing of hypothesis. But if you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Now let's start. The procedure for testing a hypothesis about a population parameter involves following steps. There are total number of 6 steps to calculate testing of hypothesis. First step is state your problem. What you want to find. So formulate your null and alternative hypothesis according to your problem. One thing, remember that in null hypothesis the sign should be equal to, greater than equal to, or less than equal to, while in alternative hypothesis the sign should be not equal to, less than, or greater than. In second step, take decision about level of significance, which is mathematically represented by alpha, where alpha is the probability of rejecting null hypothesis when it is assumed to be true. Mostly the level of significance we set is 0.05. Third step, choose appropriate test statistics and the sampling distribution of test statistics assumed under H0 is true. If you want to calculate data or your question is about mean, difference about mean, proportion, difference about proportion, then each problem has different sampling distribution and different test statistics. So choose test statistics and sampling distributions according to your problem. Fourth step, determine the rejection or critical region in such a way that probability of rejecting null hypothesis H0. Mostly in this step we calculate table value according to the level of significance, and this value decide our critical region. Location of critical region depends upon the form of H1. We have 3 types of H1. We have 3 signs in H1, means alternative hypothesis, greater than, less than. In case of greater than and less than sign, we use one tail test, and in case of not equal sign, we use 2 tail test. If you want to see videos on one tail or 2 tail test, then click the link at the end of video. The significance level will separate the acceptance region from the rejection region. Fifth step, compute the value of test statistics from the sample data in order to decide whether we accept or reject the null hypothesis. At sixth step, formulate the decision rule, the null hypothesis H0. If we compute the value of test statistics falls in rejection region, we conclude that H1 is true and accept the null hypothesis H0 otherwise. If you want to see videos on one tail or 2 tail test, type first and type second error, level of significance, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.